Mrs. Magdad and I were at a yard sale the other day, and she yelled over, "Hey, I think I found something right up your alley." I saw the sign hanging on the box, $3 for everything. I paid the man, shut the lid, and put it in the trunk of the car. Now, I haven't looked at what's in this box at all. I thought it would be fun for us to do it together and see what treasures I got for $3. Alright, so right off the bat, let's look at the box. The box, hope you can see that, it does say Craftsman. Now this box has a big dent. It's got some rust. Looks like the hinge is all there. See the bottom. I don't want to turn it all the way upside down, but that bottom's really rusty. But the latch still works. Alright. Okay, let's reach in. Let's see what the first thing is I pull out. Alright, we have a Stanley. Looks like a T30. Now let's pull out something else. Oh, I got two things. Hold on. Throw that one back. A pair of tin snips. I think I see Taiwan right there. I think it says Taiwan. Okay. This was kind of clinging on. Let's look at this next. Just a mild coating of patina. We're not going to find a maker's mark on that without some work. All right, what's next? All right, we have a Craftsman. It says forged in USA. It looks like it has a patent number and a V. It's got the push button that's not pushing, and the selector, it's really tight. But I bet you I can clean that up. That might be worth $3 right there. Alright, let's reach in again. Oh, there you go. Nothing like a big rusty pipe wrench. I see 14 really big right there. I think there's a name here. You know, that might just say guaranteed. Maybe this is one of them German. A lot of the German ones say like guaranteed steel or something like that. Okay, pipe wrench. Let's reach in again. This yellow is attracting me. Yellow handle. Looks like it says Japan. Oh, ha! It's a pokey thing. Okay, yellow handled pokey thing. Let's reach in for some more. Craftsman. Like 15/16 1. And it's another V. Okay. This looks similar, but it's a Eastco 7/8 3/4, same kind of idea. What else we got? Oh, here we go. I love these things. This is what's left of a push drill, and it's so rusty I can't tell if there's bits in it or not, and I doubt I'll get that open. No. But look at that rust on there. I can't make it pretty again, but I bet you I can make it work again. Alright, what else do we got? A tube of something. We got a tube. Oh, whatever's in the tube, it's hard as a rock. It was muffler mender. Now it's a rock. What else we got? Another screwdriver. It's like a used to be red, cushy handle. Again, there may be a name on it, but I don't see anything. Pair of oh, listen to that, listen to that. Yeah. It looks like someone changed the bolt. The spring's there. Looks like the latch is there. Okay. Another big wrench here. We got 1 1/16 by 1 1/4 Craftsman. That's also a V. I think my I think my $3 investment's already paying off. Oh wow, look at this. Now, I was complaining how rusty this one was, right? Look at this poor thing. Look at that. I don't even know if I want to guess what that is hanging off the front there. Look at that thing. Now this I can get to the bits, I think. Oh yeah, look at those. Look at the bits. Look at those bits. They're all like, ugh. Okay. What's next? Pull out two of these. Two more wrenches. This one is a Dunlop. I'm pretty sure Dunlop is like a off-brand of Sears, like maybe down a step from Craftsman. 9/16 and a half. And this one's a Craftsman V. 5/8 3/4. I wonder if we have a whole set of them in here. Combination. This one says India on it. Another one of these. This one says made. This looks like that Eastco again, right? Eastco. And 13/16, 11/16. Couple more wrenches. Get a lobe master. India. This one looks like it's had a modification. I believe it says Taiwan. Another pair of pruning shears. This is the kind that has the lock on the side. Lock still works. There is a name on it. I'm pretty sure that says floating fulcrum. Maybe that has to do with this pivot point up here. I say precision made, tempered, ever rain. That's pretty interesting. I have to play with that. Oh yeah, see, look at that. See, look, that jaw kind of moves up. Interesting. What else we got? Oh, fishing bobber. Some kind of case. Again, lots of patina. Another T30. I don't know, Star Driver. I don't know who Star Driver is. Oh, here you go. My favorite, wood-handled screwdriver. I mean, admittedly, it needs a little work, but there you go. I think we got a couple sockets. This one's Craftsman, 1.25" V. Oh, I'm gonna guess that's 1/2" drive. And this one's Craftsman, 1.16" V. I'm not to the bottom yet. I'm trying to pick out the big stuff. Oh man, there you go. All right. These again, lots of patina. I'm not sure what marking that is. If there's something up here, that's going to need some work to find that mark. Another one of these, right? Another push screwdriver. Alright, what's this? Oh, this was at one point this was a ratcheting screwdriver. See the ratcheting lever? Oh geez, it might still, it's dented. See, it's dented real bad right there. But I mean, it has a shot, it may be still working. Oh, there you go. I don't see a name right off the top. That is a Great Neck. Oh, I like that. Look at this. Great Neck Tools. I'm going to guess that's a giraffe. chisel. In case you weren't sure, it's a pry bar. Oh boy. There's a screwdriver under all that somewhere. The handle reminds me of a 100 plus, but I don't think it is. Another socket. 1 1/8 V. I think that says all trade. All trade. Looks like it's got a socket hook to it. All stubby. Am I seeing some red in there? That might be red in there under the rust. That might be like red and blue. That looks like a little Craftsman stubby. Oh, I like this. Look at that. There's a pokey thing. That's a pokey thing that'll give you tetanus right there. Look at that. I like the way the fluting's done right into this part. That's cool. I'd like to clean that up, see whose that is. Oh, here you go. Look at that. I love little wood-handled screwdrivers. That's a real gem. Alright. We got a pencil. Just this yellow almost looks like, oh yeah, it's a little yellow. It's like a yellow. Where was that other one? It's like a little brother to this yellow pokey thing. Two pokey things. Two screwdrivers that have seen way better days. You know what's funny? I'm at the bottom of the box, right? At the bottom of the box. These three things show up. No rust on them. How's that happen? These are three really junky screwdrivers. Look at that. Like new old stock at the bottom of that rusty box. That's amazing. What else we got? A collection of hacksaw blades. Triangular file. Looks like some bolts. Yeah, let me smell this one. Believe it or not, that doesn't smell that horrible. Looks like the tip has been modified into something else. Get near the bottom now. Another pokey thing. Some more miscellaneous. Hey, look at that. A rock. Okay. A wrench. Looks like Murphy. A socket extension with no name on it. Another one of these Torx drives, T15. I don't know that brand. Ritco stubby screwdriver. Anything else left in here? I'm gonna get stabbed pretty soon. Holy smokes. A pair of tweezers. Saw blade. Another extension. Screwdriver. Looks like screwdriver bits. Maybe to go into a common handle. Rusty file. Couple of punches. Oh, look at that. Pocket knife at the bottom of the box. Looks like Camp King. You know, I've been wanting to take a pocket knife that was in really bad shape and just throw it right in the evaporust and see if the evaporust could, like, renew it. This might be the candidate. Look at that thing. I'm not moving those blades. They're not going anywhere. Look at that. Okay, not too fast for you to see, found a roll of electrical tape. His wasn't as old as mine. This is vintage electrical tape. No, it's not sticky anymore. Looks like a pokey thing. Another amazingly super clean cheap screwdriver. Another attachment for another screwdriver. Another attachment. I don't think I located a handle for something like that yet. Oh, there you go. See? Nice looking nail set. That'll clean up nice. Another one of these. Is there anything left? Got a no-name adapter. You know what? Here it is. I bet you this is the handle. Roscoe. Is that like Roscoe from the Dukes of Hazzard? There you go. That's probably the handle that all these, this probably fits in there. You know, minus the rust. So that's the handle for all these pieces that were in there. We got another socket. This one says Japan on it. Another rock. Tape. Oh, there's still more. Hold on. Hold on. It's not empty. I mean, it's close. There's still more in here. Another file. A drill bit. Piece of hacksaw. Oh, these are pretty cool. I mean, I call these like little adjustable pliers. I mean, I think I call these ignition pliers. I think that says JCPenney, if I'm reading that right. JCPenney USA, how about that? That's pretty cool. I want to say that's a file. I don't think it's a twig. Another screwdriver piece. Something. Somebody liked to collect their pokey things. We have to count how many pokey things came out of this $3 toolbox. And a wrench. Drop forged 10mm. Anything else? Is there any more in here? I'll tell you what. Look at that. Look at all that smoke. Look at that. Look at that. There's patina in the air. Hold your breath. Literally, there's handfuls of dirt at the bottom. I think that's the last thing. That file. Let me take a break and get organized here. Hold on. All right, here's everything all laid out. There was a lot of stuff in that box. No wonder it was heavy. Let me show you the piles up close. Inside that box at the bottom was, I don't know, handfuls of dirt and a couple of rocks. I don't know if they washed in there in a flood or what, but all that was at the bottom of the box. So the box is a Craftsman. Let me scoot you down a little bit. The box is a Craftsman, and these items are all Craftsman V. So hopefully they'll pay for the haul. Let me show you some highlights. I don't know if these are worth anything, but I think they're super cool. Everrain. I really dig that. What did they call it? Something fulcrum, right? Floating fulcrum. That's pretty cool. So that was a highlight for me. Another item I kind of liked was these little adjustable pliers. I mean, yeah, a guy bought them at, someone made them for, I can't read that, hold on. There you go. Someone made them for JCPenney. Just an ignition type adjustable pliers. That was a highlight. What else was a highlight? Oh, I like pocket knives. This is a Camp King. I think it'd be neat to see if I can bring that back to life. Yeah, that's pretty rusty. I like that. That's a highlight. So the box contained 5 pokey things. These two I thought were interesting. I'm not familiar with Grants. This one's also a Grants. Part number 539 maybe. So those are interesting. This here, I love my push drills. This one's locked up solid. You're not doing any pushing or any drilling with this. I'm gonna have to soak it just to get this knurled nut off to see if there's any bits inside. But I like that. This little Roscoe set is probably worthless, but I thought it was neat. All these different screwdriver ends fit in there. I just felt a sense of accomplishment when I found the handle at the bottom of the box after finding all these bits. I'm still amazed how rusty everything was to find this set of admittedly cheap junky screwdrivers, but they're perfect. There's hardly any rust on them. They're like shiny like the day they were bought. Well, almost shiny like the day they were bought, but yeah, they're like the survivors of the box. So what do you think? Did I do okay for $3? What was your favorite item? I hope you all had fun looking through that box with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. So my buddy Merle was super curious about what was in this package. Alright Merle, just for you. Let's see. You guys see that? Some really rusty double pointed staples. There you go, Merle. Now you know.